Right then, we're on this job and it's got hairline cracks everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. But it is structurally sound. So what we'll do is we'll go over it with some of this render mesh. It's all pretty much cut to size. So what I'll do is I'll mix up some multi-finish with some bonding, 80-20. Then I'll lay the first coat on, pretty much all of it, as much as I can. And then what I will do is let that go firm, and then I'll plaster with just multi-finish. So what this render mesh does, considering this is rock hard, but it's just got a few hairline cracks, if I was to just skim over that, or just use just normal fiberglass mesh, scrim tape basically, the cracks will just come back. It will just sit on the surface and it will all come back. So the ceiling's been PVA'd, but it's taken forever. So what we're going to do is we're just going to crack on, get all the walls done. They're going to start filling some holes. So yeah, there we go. Right then, so that first wall is on. You can see the mesh through it. So that first wall's on. I've still got a bit left in the mix. So then I'll get that wall on. So yeah, with this wall, I can now kind of forget about it. It needs to firm up a little bit. It needs to basically dry like wood. And then once that has, before I do that, I'll take out all of these little lines and then I'll just plaster as normal. So yeah, there we go.